since I steamed eggs in the Ninja Possible cooker, why don't we try it in the Ninja SPEEDI? I haven't done it in here actually yet. So we're going to do the same process. If I can, I'm working backwards here. Here we go. Open the top. You do want to make sure your bowl and the tray is in there. I'm taking 2 cups of water. And I'm just going to put 3 eggs in because this is just an experiment, really. 2, 3. There we go. Close the top. Go ahead and turn it on. And where is steam? There it is. Whoops. Oh, flip this. Whoopsies, you got it flipped. I almost made a mistake. Flip that over so you're on the correct side. We're on steam in 10 minutes. Let's just hit start. We have 6 seconds left. And I'm curious to see if this is going to come out like the other ones. Okay, so be careful opening this, everybody. Wow, look at the water. Yeah, going down the track. Gonna put those right in the water. I'm gonna shut this off. Just be careful of the steam, everybody. All right, let them sit for a bit and we're gonna pop them open. All right, here goes nothing. See if we can open one. I'm gonna check these shells open now. There we go. It's a lot of them right. All right, shells open. You guys ready? So yes, it is the same exact time. Steam eggs directly right out of the refrigerator for 10 minutes in either your Ninja Possible cooker or the Ninja SPEEDI, and probably the same with that one in the back. So thanks for watching, everybody, and putting up with my experiments. Catch you on the next one.